Welcome, today in front of me REALME C35, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should hold for a while the application and drag this application to another one, and as you can see here we just create a new device home screen folder. By the same way we can add here more application, just hold it and drag to the folder. We can here also edit the name or give a new name here. Just click on the name and select and enter the apps, then just click here to OK. And as you can see, we just successfully just rename our device folder. We can move this folder here on the screen, or also we can create the new screens folder within folders. And if you want to just remove some applications from here, hold for a while and drag it here to the home screen. But if you don't want to stay with this app on the home screen, you should hold it for a while and drag it here on the left upper corner to remove icon. But don't worry, you will remove this application only from your home screen, but you will stay with this app here on our device apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.